we are here. See what we can find. Oh, and another black one. Oh, I just realized what that is. This is going on my car. That is awesome. Today, what you guys just saw there, that was all me going about an hour away. I picked up these taillights right here, just stock 2010 to 2012 Mustang taillights. He was selling these off. I got them for $50. Super happy about it. Usually these go for like well over $100, sometimes $200 on eBay if you get a pair, and these are both flawless, so couldn't ask for a better deal. But yeah, so these are the taillights I'm going to be experimenting on, and I'm going to be trying to make some custom taillights with these. I decided what I'm doing after buying the taillights. I just called up a junkyard that's literally like less than 10 minutes away, so I'm going to go there, and they said that they have 4 2010 to 14 Mustangs, and I'm gonna just scout them out. Probably not get too much off of them because I don't have a lot of tools, but I plan on just looking. I always like going to junkyards. It's just fun, just looking at the cars and stuff. I'm gonna go there, see if we can find some cheap parts. All right, so we are here at Butler's. See what we can find in here. Like I said, not really looking to get anything specifically. I mean, there's a few things, but I'm not going to be pulling apart a whole car today because I don't have tools and just didn't come prepared to do that today. She said it's going to be, she has 4 Mustangs out here today, the 10 through 14 ones, and that they're all going to be within this row, the next one, and the one over there. So all in these 3 rows we're gonna find some Mustangs. Here's a 350Z. Ooh, a WRX. Dang, they got some good cars out here today. Let's see where the Mustang is. Ooh, a black Mustang. Or no, that's dark blue. Okay, I feel it. I feel it. Oh, it's a Stingray. That's cool. Oh, there's a black one here. And this one is a limited edition. This thing is torn up. This thing has seen better days. For sure. Oh. I just realized what that is. I'm getting that. I'm getting that. This is a 2013 up rear bumper that, darn it, it's got some damage there. Might be able to be polished out, but this is a bumper that I wanted. And yeah, that's the rear bumper I wanted, and it's the exact same color. That's amazing. I'm definitely getting that. I don't know if I'm getting it today, but this is going on my car. That is awesome. I'm freaking hyped. What are the chances? I mean, obviously it's a V6, so I have to double check that that will fit. the same as the other ones, like the GT ones and whatnot. I believe it will. But yeah, this is a black Mustang. I'm about to snag that rear bumper, 100%. That is coming with me. Oh, I'm freaking hyped. That is awesome. That is so cool. That is dope. Oh, I'm freaking hyped. My buddy, he's got a Genesis, or he has a 3.8, but this thing looks like it's seen better days as well. So she said there's 4 in these 3 rows right here. There's 2. So the other ones are going to be in this row, and the other one just came across this other black one. Super dope that we're finding the same color as my car. This one is another V6 that looks about in the same condition. These buttons actually would be nice if these weren't like that, because that's one thing I was looking for today, but won't be getting those. But this one does have the same rear end as mine, the same bumper. So, oh, yep, same fading that mine's starting to get, so that's lovely. Oh, and another black one, look at that. Like, what are the chances of the exact same color as my car? Please have the buttons. Oh, the buttons are in kind of better condition than the volume one is, at least. The one on the bottom, I'm not paying for that one. But I could at least get the... Ooh, that's a tire sensor. I could use that. I could use the tire sensors off of these. Just thought about that. Is this one... Oh, this one had the rear bumper taken off. Is this good, though? Nope. All these are faded on these cars. It's just absolutely ridiculous how trash those are. Yeah, this is cool, though. This is so cool. There's 3 black Mustangs, my exact same body style. I mean, granted, they're all V6s, but I mean, if I need anything, they're here. So I'm super happy about this. I'm gonna be coming this weekend. Well, yeah, probably this weekend, and snagging these parts off. Or I might even come tomorrow, because I do not want to miss the chance of getting that rear bumper over there, because that is golden. That is freaking golden, and I'm so hyped about that. Could not be happier. The only thing is, it's a little bit damaged here, but it's not even... I mean, this can be polished out. I mean, kind of. I mean, it is damaged a little bit, but it's not cracked. It's kind of just scuffed up, and someone tried to paint over it. But I'm perfectly... If I can get a good deal on this, especially because of that, I will be so happy. And this trunk is it doesn't have the holes in it for the spoiler. So just got out of that place. Probably going to be buying some stuff from there either tomorrow or Monday. Either way, very successful, I would say. I found something that I really freaking want. Get this AC cranked up. Boy, was it hot out there. I tell you what, Sandy boy, it was hot as hell. So I'm back in town now. I got home, and then I heard that my friend is getting an exhaust done at a muffler shop. So I'm gonna go meet him at the shop, and we will see what's going on there. So I just got to the shop, I just parked, and that is my buddy's G37 over there. Slammed to the ground. For some reason it looks extra low today. We really out here doing this right now. Yeehaw, brother. Right, Mark?